As a part of a 3-day visit to Mumbai, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee attended an event where eminent personalities like actors Richa Chadha, Swara Bhaskar, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt, lyricist Javed Akhtar, filmmaker and former journalist Pritish Nandi, comics Munawar Farooqui and Aditi Mittal were present. During the interaction, actress Swara Bhaskar pointed out at Munawar Farooqui, who has faced the ire of right-wing groups, and asked Mamata Banerjee if she could change UAPA laws. Swara added that sedition and UAPA charges are being given out like prasad.
Allow me to take a minute to introduce you to some of the younger people who have risked their careers and their employment and very livelihood to keep resistance in their own small way alive. Munawar Farooqui is here. He has spent 1 month in jail. Stand up. So he spent a month in jail for a joke he didn't tell. But Raj is here. He runs a performance space that has been vandalized continuously for hosting people like Munawar, like Aditi Mittal, like Agrima Joshua, who was attacked. Richa Chadha is here. Kubra Seth is here. Arpita, Ashwini sir, Avinash ji. All of these people are working in the film industry, facing a lot of resistance to tell stories where what is happening in India will find a place. Fahad is an activist who has multiple FIRs on him. We are in a situation today, and I'm sorry, I'm repeating what we all know, but it's a lived experience. We are in a situation today where for a common citizen like me, we either on one side, what are our options? What are we experiencing? On one side, there is the mob, completely unaccountable because the ruling dispensation has found a way to use the mob to its liking, and the police and the state seem to be completely okay with allowing that. On the other side, you have the state that uses arbitrary power and is distributing UAPA and sedition charges like it is prasad of a god we don't want to pray to but are forced to bow down to. This is our reality. I'm sorry I'm a little emotional. People ask why there is no Meryl Streep in India. There is no Meryl Streep in India because Meryl Streep could stand in front of the president-elect of her country and critique him in the harshest way and not a hair on her head was harmed. We are all unemployable today. All of us, going to jail is a reality. My father served in the Navy, he retired from the Navy. My mother is a professor. If I visit Tihar or the jail, Arthur Road jail here, it will seem like a family reunion. My friends are there, my teachers are there. The people we've studied are there. This is a crazy situation for a free democratic country. I hope that you will, in the process of your growth to national influence, I hope you will also be a voice for those people, the people who don't have the power, who are vulnerable but are still resisting. And that is our hope from you, ma'am, that you and people like you who are part of the opposition, when you all come to power, you all will make sure that the rule of law and the constitution are in place even if it is to your detriment. Because as somebody said here, there is nothing greater than the nation. I have a small question, ma'am, because Sudha Bharadwaj ji has got bail today, but 8 others haven't. I have a small question. Ma'am, what is your take on the UAPA? And if you were to come to power at the national level, what would you do with draconian laws like the UAPA specifically? Thank you.
I think UAPA is not for civic society or the political or the common people. There are some laws in our country. It is because of the internal security and the security purpose and how to protect the country from the external this threat. But now it is misusing. It is misusing like anything. Even there are so many agencies, though I don't have any personal grudge. But if anything, anybody raise, certainly there will be income tax rate, or CBI, or ED, or UAPA, or so many things. I don't agree with them. So I can assure you that if BJP go out and we have any opportunity, I can tell you there will be no drastic law which can be used against other people.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.